Here we've got Samsung Galaxy M52 5G, and let me show you how to set up date and time on this device. So first of all, just enroll the list of all apps, go to settings then, and now click on general management right here. Then select date and time, and here as you can see you can either use automatic date and time or you can turn it off and then set date and time manually by yourself. So this is it, tap on done. You can also change the time zone the same way, so at first change the region and then time zone if available. You can also change the format of your clock, so you can use either 24-hour format clock, in that case leave this switcher active, and if you'd like to turn it off, just unmark it. And whenever you would like to go to automatic date and time again, just use this switcher. So that would be all, this is it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.